Well, here's the last box fan. This is a Lasko Weather Shield box fan. It actually is much different than your standard 3733 model, which I also got. It has a different style grill. They also make the premium model, which is this one, just all white, kind of, I guess. The Power Plus, the Pro Power, I believe that's it. And the Cool Colors models, too. I think it has the older style Lasko logo, I think it does. But it doesn't have the wavy K like some other Lasko fans do. Yeah. It has a different style handle. Here's the front of it. Here's the back. Nice. There's no feet on it, so it might fall over while it's in operation. So here's high speed. I'll go with high speed. What's already falling over? That thing is not medium. It's low. Very quiet. There's off. Alright, thanks for watching.